Hey folks, AJ the CEO here, and we're excited that I got a new product here from Phenyx Pro. This is the PTC-8. Oh, this thing is huge. Pretty much what this is a wireless conference mic system. So if you have a conference with multiple people sitting at a table, you can have these kind of like that sit up like mic that will go right in front of them, and there's 8 of them. So they sent this out to me. Excited about this because I know there's a bunch of opportunities and places where I can use this. So let's go ahead, open it up, and let's see what you get inside the package and hook it up and all that other fun stuff. All righty, like I said, Phenyx Pro did send this out to me. The reviews are my own, and they're going to see this the same time y'all are. Again, we get to keep this one. So again, I'm excited about using this in future conferences and all this other stuff like that. And I'm actually using a new camera right now. Can't talk about it yet because it's not releasing until June 4th, but this is the camera, 4K camera, and we'll be talking about that later. But anyway, this is a humongous box. Let's get this open. All right, so now it actually comes with 8 mics. So again, awesome option here. Again, this is the PTC-8. You can get a PTC-4. This is, actually, let me make sure. Yeah, they sent me the 8. So you have 8 mics and 4 option. Again, Phenyx Pro, thank you for sending this out to me. We obviously, and let me punch in a little bit here. Y'all are seeing my multi-view and all this other stuff so I can see. And, oh, we're running out of space again. All right, so we got the receiver. Obviously, we got, well, not obviously, these are microphones for each one of the units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you got to think if you, well, I'll get to that thought later. Because I've done something similar to what I wanted to talk about. We have a 1/4 inch connection here. So if we look at the unit by itself, so here in the back, you could do a mix out. So all of these will be handled by one channel if you connect this to your mixer. We're going to have these connected separately so each one of these mics can be controlled. But if you didn't have that many options, you could do that. You just got to tell everybody to talk up because you can just have the overall control volume for everybody instead of the individual. So that was a 1/4 inch cable for that. We are not going to use that. All right, we have our little dead cat for each one of our mics right here. Power cable. And we have a 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter connector right here. Feet for the receiver if this was a standalone here. And we got some batteries in here as well. Our antennas. Let's go ahead and grab those. Now, if you had one of the systems that we did recently, that's also Phenyx sent me, their audio distribution, you could connect this to here, and then that would give a stronger antenna signal for this. And I keep wanting to go into the comment that I wanted to talk about, but I'm going to wait before I get there. Oh, come on, get these batteries out of here. Double A's here. Set those aside. And we have our base unit. I'm only going to look at one of them. So in here, we have our push button to talk. So, I mean, look, I'm not getting political, but this would be great that you have like at government type of events or something like that. So somebody has to press the button to talk. And personally, when I see these people that run their mouth, I'm like, who's the AV person? Kill their mic. Anyway, here on the bottom, that's where we can put our batteries in. So let's actually go ahead and do that here. And I keep saying it. Let me just go ahead and say it. My mindset is I used to do live streaming events. I've done consortiums for government agencies and um, environmental stuff. And where did I put the plate on the back of this? Oh, it's right there. So I can see if you this adding if you're doing kind of like jobs to where you're doing live streaming events for like businesses, churches, anything like this, and you have to bring your own setup. I think this would be a good option to have in your kind of like your travel bag so that if you had to support type of conferences, you can support up to 4 or 8 people, depending on which one of these units that you get. So I'm not going to set up all of them. I might have to because I don't know which one is going to be which when I connect this since they're transmitters. But we got those right there. If we take out the bottom, there's our other set, our other 4. And nothing else is inside the box. So we're just going to go with the 2 for right now. Simply right there. And it looks like there's also a tally light built into these. So you can see which one is on. Now, I sit back and think of like in church environments where you have the podium and stuff like that, how this could work. So if you needed something like that, this could be a great option. All right, so let's put this on the floor so we can have some more space. So now let's go ahead and hook this up. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it's only one way you can actually put it. There's a little dimple right in here. So align that up there. And there it goes. And it's not like it can lock. There it goes. So we good. Now I'm not going to try and break it because I don't know how to. It's actually a thread on here. So it actually screws in place on the inside of here. All right, so it locks in place. Make sure I got that one here. All right. Now on the back here, here's your IR. So if you need to resync the signal, because it looks like these can adjust. So you go from there, and that is it. And boom, there we go. Got our channels, very big display like that. All right, we got our lights and all the other fun stuff. So I am going to hook this up. What is the easiest way? I'm gonna hook this up to input number 2 on my well, actually I'm gonna hook this up to my second mixer down here. So I'm gonna turn the audio on for that. And we're gonna run and connect cables to our mixer. Again, I don't know which one is which. When we turn this on, we will find that out. And the good thing is these are wireless, so I can put the transmitter closer to the mixer so I don't have to have super long cables all over the place. And again, I can see this, especially if I had our next conference in person and we need to have a roundtable or I have a discussion with multiple people, like when I had Monty and Dominic and um, um, Phyllis and everybody, and we were talking, this would be a good option. Here we just got our 1/4 inch. I need to find out which one connection this is first so that I can find out which connection I'm gonna have to go to. So that one won't fit. All right, so let's go ahead and power this on. All right, so we're right here. So we're 6 and 8. So I know which ones we need to go. So that's 6 and 8 that is responding down here. So I just got to connect these on the back. Now I have some XLR cables here. We'll connect that to, I'll use them 1 and 2 on the mics over here because I already have those configured. Don't need to go into configuring mics. So let me hook these up, and then I'm gonna jump over to the audio so that you're getting my audio from this. Alrighty, so I think we're doing better now. I didn't realize my fan is the one that's picking up everything. So we're pulling all our audio from this right now. And let's turn this down just a little bit because we don't need to be that loud coming from this mixer. All right, so hopefully I'm not going to know how the audio is going to sound until I'm actually recording it. But as you can see, we have an LED right here. It is green right now, so it'll show that it's active. If I tap it, it's muting everything from here. So like again, we got both of them here. So we got one here. Obviously, this one is not on because it's muted, but it goes from here. And again, if we need to sync it, these are auto scanning units. So just like any other wireless mic, we change the frequency on here on the receiver and then line up the IR, and then it will change the frequency on it. So really like this. Now, I'm gonna be honest, what I was trying to say is, so I can see something like this if you have like a church meeting or like you're running government stuff, or like I said, you're doing live streaming events from a business standpoint and you want to have other mics. I sit back, let's go back to the church thing. Say that you're having a church meeting and you have limited mics. You can hand those out or set one up in the middle aisle if somebody has questions. And then everybody sitting at the front table who is running the church meeting, you can actually hand them one of these mics. And again, by pressing the button, it's just a tap. Then you can talk, you can hit the button to mute it. And really cool. I mean, it's just like a wireless mic, but now this one just stays stationary. Really cool. Makes deployment and hookup real easy. You can have this in your system. If you have a digital mixer, you can just make a scene for using these and just leave them connected. Or you can have one of them permanently in place for if you have a podium or something like that and you don't have cables to where you need to get to. So the 8 unit, the PTC-8 goes for $560. The PTC-4, which includes 4 of these, goes for around like $290. So again, a very, very good deal for having an auto scanning wireless conference mic system. Again, Phenyx Pro, thank you so much for sending this out to me. All right, I think one of the things I forgot to mention is how to turn the thing on and off. Obviously, I mean, we got it on right here. We just tap and now the system is on. And to turn it off, you just hold it down and then it turns off. Link is down below if you want to get one. Let me know if you have any other questions, other stuff you want to test out, because this is staying in my inventory of stuff so that I can actually do, when I do conferences and stuff like that, we'll be implementing all this stuff as well too. So again, Phenyx Pro, thank you so much. And I'm still talking to this because this is what I have doing all the audio. But man, I mean, it's really nothing to it. But again, I just love being able to test out new products and giving you an idea of how you can implement them in your media ministry and your ministry, or if you're running any type of live streaming business or something like that. So if you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. Catch you on the next video. Later.